Welcome back to Fab, and welcome to a very quick how-to video on how to reset the service light on your Mazda 2 Hybrid. This is a 2024 model. Hopefully your dash will be the same. Now, to start us off, we're going to press the right button on the left of the steering wheel, and we're going to go down to the vehicle settings and go in. Now, across here, if you keep going right, and keep going right, and keep going right, you'll get to vehicle settings. Hold down the OK button and it brings you into the deeper vehicle settings. We can go down to oil maintenance, press OK, move up to yes to reset, press OK. That's it, your oil service is now complete. We'll press back a few times, go back to the vehicle settings, and there we are. That's all done. Press like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.